wear 2 of everything just to go outside. It's starting to snow, so I'm gonna have this, and my red jacket on. All for snow content. Alright, so in this clip that you're watching, some people had got stuck like on the way back from Walmart, and you know the homie got a big ass truck, so we're just gonna decide to help and be some good citizens. But yeah, some other people decided to help out too. It was cold as shit, but you know, good deeds all around.
They're trying to help people out too. Good citizen right here. She was asking the important questions though. Yeah, bro, look, we got $10. What you want, bro? $1.
20 on top,
Okay.
20 on bottom. Hella one.
Ahí, para nosotros maruchano, güey.
Vaya. $2.
Haces todo.
Deme $2 en pump service. Cool the hell in here. Bro, this shit's moving like 10 miles per hour. Not even 10, bro. Like 2. I don't know what my girl at. Bro, this shit is slow.
Alright, chat. We are here to attempt to bomb this hill. We don't have the proper equipment.
The J sinking in. Fuck is this? Charlotte, New York. What about a snowboard, bro?
I'm tripping like hot sauce. I got drunk in the screen raw. Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can do this without y'all. I don't know how to logo. I go back to the trap house. Spread that bitch in the bounce down.
One thing about Charlotte is that every season it looks like a baddie. Any time of the day, any time of the night, any season, summer, spring, winter, fall. It looks amazing, every angle.
Yeah. Esa otra truck I had at the house.
That boy getting jiggy. boy turned up.
So we decided to hit this spot away from everybody. Nobody's near us. We're at some private property. We failed the hill, so let's try this one again.
Push me, see if that shit works. Your jacket. Bro, look how steep that shit is. We just slid down now.
Oh shit.
We up to no good. I'm going to see.
attempt to give you guys a little cold start. Try to turn that shit on. Let's go. Here go nothing. Gotta move my grandma's car. You can't see shit. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to move the whip like this, feel me? Oh my god. Oh, motherfucker look good to me. Can't forget that bag. No mango juice. Shit, that bitch. Damn.
More, less.
More. You know I eat like a horse. Taking bulking seriously. That's good. Mini meatball. Don't be stingy with the balls. Pause. Bro, that's like Salt Bay. Looking good, bro. Let me record this, bro.
No.
It's for YouTube, bro. The fuck? You're dating a content creator. Head ass. Ew, cringe.
Boy, if you don't get.
But you already know like 3 of them.
Yeah,
Oh,
San Diego, Chicago.
Cállate. Relax. Colorado, New York, Miami, Chicago, or Virginia. Hot Springs.
Let me shit it down. Look, bro. These my damn goddamn birthday options, like 2 places to go. Colorado, New York, Miami, Chicago, Virginia, Hot Spring. I don't know what the fuck that is. Like those. Colorado, I already been, feel me? For like 2 hours. New York, I lived over there. Miami, I've been there, but like just the airport and shit. Chicago, been there, but like for like a couple hours. Virginia, I've been there, but Hot Spring, I don't know. That's a town or like the hot spring, like water shit?
Yeah. It's like a mountain type hot spring.
It's a mountain type.
Like a spa.
Like that hot jacuzzi
It's like an indoor
shit.
spa that I saw on TikTok. It's like a cave.
TikTok
type.
ass place. Anyways. Colorado during the winter looks good. Also Chicago, New York though. I've been wanting to go to Colorado for a while though. Chat, which one do I pick, chat? This ain't even live, bro. Miami, that's a trip with the boys only though. Feel me? Nah, but yeah. What Iggy Azalea said, 16 in the middle, man. Nah, but anyways. Colorado, I pick Colorado.
Okay.
Hey, if she ain't stingy with that credit card, we're going everywhere.
Boy, I don't see no.
just came from Home Depot. I got this Shark Stain Striker. I'm gonna try to use this to detail my car, even though it's like not meant for it, but I just needed some wet and dry sucker vacuum, whatever. Forgot the name. Alright, now for the interior, I'm just gonna use this. I watch hella TikTok videos on which ones to use. I was loyal to a certain company, but I mean, I'm not loyal to this one, but I just haven't rained out. I mean, the interior looks pretty okay. Not that bad. Like, I just gotta clean a couple things here and there. But yeah, and I gotta rush because I gotta leave the house in like 15 minutes. Turns out that the Shark vacuum that I bought is only for like stains and like deep cleaning. It's not like a regular vacuum. So I thought it was like a 2-in-1, 3-in-1 thing. But I guess not, but I'm about to clean the car, so. Alright, so I gotta pick one of them. And out of these three is my birthday gift?
Yeah.
I was eyeing this one.
Okay. Man, you can't open it.
Why?
Because I'll give it to you on your birthday. Or
Okay,
the week of.
Can I know what I'm not gonna get?
No.
No, I want to know what I'm not gonna get.
No.
I want to know what I'm not gonna get.
Why?
Cause I like.
Okay. Well.
And don't react either. Like.
We're not going to Chicago.
Okay. We're not going to Chicago.
And we're not going to Miami.
Fuck.
Not too much.
We're not going to Miami.
No.
Damn.
Okay.
Psych. Okay. But San Diego.
No.